Welcome to the 12-minute affiliate program. This free on-demand training is for anyone that's trying to make money with affiliate programming. And all I need you to do is click on the link below in the description and check out what we have to offer, and check out the free video that is there, and it will show you get a free 48-hour pass to the program. And if you're trying to make sales with such affiliate programs like ClickBanks and JVZoo.com and Warrior Plus, this right here will definitely help you make hundreds of dollars a day, every day that you implement this system. And if you're interested in knowing more, like I say, just click on the link below in the description, and it will show you the easiest way to make daily commissions within a 48-hour period. See if it's something that you're interested in, and then definitely check it out. I've seen several programs that have similar promises, and this one right here is definitely what you want to check out. It's definitely one of the ones that you're definitely going to learn something from. And like I say, it works with all the affiliate companies: ClickBanks, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. Hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.